Tracking the deer that God just shot. From the angles of it looks pretty good, but we see no blood, only some guts at the date pile that he's got it. There's no, you don't see any blood or anything. From the camera view, it looks pretty good, but it doesn't look good. Looks like we're gonna have to back out. It might have to be tomorrow before we come back. You see that? We actually found the deer. It was an excellent shot. No blood because it came out the gut area. Montek. But this is a beautiful deer. Not that old, maybe 2-year-old, maybe guys? 2-year-old? 2.5. Man, you guys worked hard, man. I give you guys a lot of credit for that. To get a deer or a buck like this is not easy, man. And to be able to find it, man.
The one who shot, the one is the one who found it.
Not a bad shot, man. The camera looked really good too, so we knew it was a good shot, but we couldn't risk it because there was no blood at all. Chúng mình còn chả liệu, mỗi cái này bị chặt đó. Chip. Come on. Somebody shot at this deer already. It's cut Been cut here already. Damn, didn't die, man. This guy's a tough fighter, man. Somebody shot at him already. Yeah, right there. Somebody used rage. Didn't work. Let me see that scar again, man. This scar is recently, dude. Yeah, this scar is recently, man. Look at this. Holy smokes, man. That's right at the heart, man. But somehow it slid off or something like that. Holy smokes. This is a tough deer, dude.